Okay, so we have checked all of the boxes of a great celebration with one exception. I think we need some gifts, don't you? Yeah. We are so thrilled to have Pura as our season 17 premier sponsor. Now, Pura is a tech company that creates uplifting experiences through scent. The brand pairs fragrance with smart technology. It's my most favorite home accessory. You can just adjust it from your phone, the intensity, you can set schedules, you can swap the scents out super easily. They like to say life is better when it smells good, and I agree. So you are all going home with a Pura Smart Fragrance Dispenser, and yes, and I personally picked out for you my two favorite scents. So you're getting the Capri Blue Volcano because come on. I mean, we all love that. I also am kind of fussy about my scents, and I believe that in the kitchen you should have something that smells sweet. So there's a beautiful velvet pear that you'll get in your bundle as well. From me to you, from Pura to you, that sounds great, right? Yes. And for all of our friends at home, Pura is offering an exclusive and really significant discount. This is huge. With the code KSL25, you're gonna get 25% off the entire site. This is Pura's largest site-wide discount ever. They're really pulling it out for us in honor of season 17. You can use it on a one-time purchase for the Pura Smart Fragrance Diffuser, or you can use that discount on top of subscription purchases, which basically makes those subscriptions 50% off. So huge. Again, that code is KSL25, and a big thanks to our friends at Pura. You guys good with that? Yeah. I'm good with that.